Unveil the curtain of mystery and let the breathtaking beauty of Colombia enchant you. A country where rich culture intertwines seamlessly with scenic landscapes, Colombia is a tapestry of vibrant cities, each with its own unique charm. Picture lush coffee plantations, bustling markets, colonial architecture, and the irresistible rhythm of salsa that pulses through the night. This is Colombia, a land that promises an adventure at every turn. So buckle up. Get ready to embark on an epic journey through the top 10 must-visit cities in Colombia. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the dynamic duo, Cali and Barranquilla. Nestled in the southwestern part of Colombia, Cali is the epicenter of salsa dancing, a rhythmic dance that tells the tale of this vibrant city's spirit. With its bustling nightlife and rich Afro-Colombian heritage, Cali pulsates with an energy that's truly infectious. Moving on to the Caribbean coast, we find Barranquilla, the city that hosts the most colorful and extravagant carnival in Colombia. Known for its lively music, vibrant parades, and flamboyant costumes, Barranquilla's carnival is a testament to the city's diverse cultural heritage. But Barranquilla isn't just about festivals. It's also a city of architectural marvels, from the romantic-era El Prado neighborhood to the modernist buildings of the downtown area. Whether you're a dance enthusiast, a culture vulture, or an architecture aficionado, these cities offer a spectrum of experiences that cater to every traveler. These cities are just the beginning of our thrilling Colombian journey. Moving forward, we discover the historical charm of Santa Marta and Popayan at number 8 and 7. Santa Marta, the oldest surviving city of Colombia and South America, is a treasure trove of history. With its colonial architecture lining the streets and the Tayrona National Park nearby, Santa Marta offers a unique blend of urban and natural beauty. Next, we journey to Popayan, often referred to as the White City, due to its whitewashed colonial buildings. It's a city that has retained its old-world charm, with cobblestone streets and ornate churches, like the stunning Iglesia de San Francisco. Popayan's rich cultural heritage is evident in its renowned Holy Week processions, a spectacle that draws visitors from around the globe. Both Santa Marta and Popayan give us a glimpse into the layers of history that have shaped Colombia. From indigenous cultures to Spanish colonists, these cities have stories etched into their very foundations. These cities are like stepping stones into Colombia's fascinating past. Next in line are the coastal gems, Cartagena and San Andres, holding the 6th and 5th spots. Cartagena, an old city with a youthful spirit, is a blend of historic charm and modern attractions. Its cobbled streets, colorful colonial buildings, and vibrant nightlife make it a must-visit destination. The city's beautiful beaches, bathed in the warm Caribbean sun, are a haven for sunseekers. On the other hand, we have San Andres, an idyllic island that boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Its crystal-clear waters and varying shades of blue are truly a sight to behold. This island paradise offers a lot more than just sun, sand, and sea. It is home to a unique Creole culture, delicious seafood, and a lively music scene. Whether you are exploring the historic streets of Cartagena or lounging on the pristine beaches of San Andres, these cities are a paradise for beach lovers and adventure seekers. As we near the end of our countdown, we reach the heart of Colombia, Medellin and Bogota, at number 3 and 2. Medellin, the city of eternal spring, is a place where modernity meets tradition. Nestled in the Abura Valley, this city is an urban jungle surrounded by mountains. Its transformation from a city once known for violence into a beacon of innovation and resilience is nothing short of remarkable. Medellin is a city that has learned to dance in the rain, quite literally, with its famous Feria de las Flores, a festival in which thousands of flowers are paraded through the streets. This city pulsates with life, from its bustling Mercado del Rio, a gourmet food hall, to the vibrant neighborhood of El Poblado, where the city's energetic nightlife comes alive. Moving on to Bogota, the capital of Colombia, this city is a cultural powerhouse teeming with museums, art galleries, and a robust culinary scene. It's a city where you can find a centuries-old colonial neighborhood, La Candelaria, sitting adjacent to a towering skyline of gleaming skyscrapers. Bogota's charm lies in its ability to balance the old with the new. Visit the Gold Museum, home to the world's largest collection of pre-Hispanic gold artifacts, or take a cable car to Monserrate Hill for a panoramic view of this sprawling metropolis. Both cities are also gateways to Colombia's natural beauty. From Medellin, you can easily access the lush coffee plantations of the Zona Cafetera, while Bogota serves as a jump-off point to the Andean peaks and the mystical El Dorado Lagoon. These cities are not just places on a map, they are experiences. They are where the past and the future coexist, where the spirit of Colombia, vibrant, resilient, and passionate, is palpable in every corner, every smile, and every beat of music. These cities truly encapsulate Colombia's vibrant spirit. And finally, at number 1, we have the crown jewel of Colombia, Cartagena. A city that draws you in with its enchanting cobblestone streets, vibrant colonial buildings, and the rhythmic sway of salsa dancing in the warm night air. Cartagena is a city that embraces its rich history while inviting the future with open arms. A stroll through the Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is like stepping into a time machine, where you're greeted with the grandeur of Spanish colonial architecture and the whispers of stories told by centuries-old fortresses and cathedrals. But it's not all about the past. Cartagena is also a city of the present, with its buzzing nightlife, tantalizing street food, and world-class beaches. The city's unique blend of old and new, its vibrant culture and its warm, welcoming people make it not just a destination, but a journey in itself. A journey that leaves you yearning for more, long after you've left its sun-soaked shores. Cartagena, a city that captures the heart of every traveler, concludes our Colombian journey. Colombia, a country of astounding beauty and diversity, has something to offer every traveler. From the pulsating rhythm of Cali and Barranquilla, through the historical wonders of Santa Marta and Popayan, to the coastal gems of Cartagena and San Andres, and finally, the vibrant heart of Medellin and Bogota. This ultimate road trip has been a whirlwind of colors, flavors, and experiences. So what are you waiting for? Colombia is calling. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Worldcue for more exciting journeys. Until next time, keep exploring.